Hello everyone, this is Vincent Martone at MarineMax in Clearwater, and today I'll be taking you through the 2019 Nautique G25 Super Air. As you can see, we have the link pan array, we have the Nautique Surf Select with Surf Switch. This particular one is outfitted in Admiral Blue with metal flake and white interior. Awesome JL stereo. .2-liter Pleasurecraft Marine Coastal Edition, so you can put this boat in saltwater and freshwater. Take a look at the tower. The tower's been raised 6 inches for 2019. Beautiful size bimini. Bow filler cushion up here, heated and cooled seats. Awesome LED package, accent lighting. If you'd like to learn more about this boat or any of our other boats, you can reach me here at the office at 727-536-BOAT. You can contact me on my personal cell phone, area code 803-760-0609. Thank you for joining me.